In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Samsung phone as a remote control to control your Samsung Smart TV. Here, I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I'm going to use it to control my Samsung Smart TV, as you can see. So this is the volume up, volume down. Then I can just change the channel. I can move, navigate through my Smart TV with my remote control. I can even use my Samsung phone to turn off my Samsung Smart TV. There you go. So I can also use my Samsung phone to open an application on my Samsung TV. If I click on any of this application on my smartphone, that is the remote application on my Samsung phone, is going to open straight on my TV. I can control virtually everything from my phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Samsung Smart TV into a remote and use it to control your Samsung phone. So let's say I've used it to turn on the Plex application, right? Then this, I can also use the remote to come back or get out of the Plex application without hustle. I can use it to open Netflix. There you go. I can use it to open my gallery. So this is web video capture receiver. I can use it to do so many things on my phone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to achieve this with your Samsung Smart TV. Now the first thing you want to do is turn on your Samsung TV. Once you've turned on your Samsung Smart TV, you want to connect your Samsung Smart TV and your Samsung phone to the same wireless network. So this could be hotspot and it could be your phone wireless network. So you can do this by going to your Samsung device settings, select general, select network, select open network settings, then select wireless, select the name of your hotspot or wireless network, and then connect to the network. The same thing is applicable to your Samsung smartphone. So you want to connect your Samsung smartphone as well to the same network as your TV. Now the next thing you want to do on your Samsung smartphone is this. On your Samsung smartphone, search for the application called Smartthing. So it's usually under Samsung. If you have not rearranged your Samsung home screen, then click on Smartthing. Once you hit Smartthing, this is going to be the interface of the application. Now the first thing you want to do is click on the plus icon at the top right, click on Add Device, then click on the Samsung device you want to add. You see a list of all Samsung devices here, and here we want to add a Samsung TV. Then scroll down and click on TV. Once you selected TV, you should see searching for device. Your Samsung phone will try to search for your Samsung TV for the first time. So this is going to be done once. Once your Samsung TV and your Samsung phone are connected, you no longer need to search for this device. Each time you want to use your Samsung phone as a remote control to control your Samsung TV. Once your phone has identified your TV, then you want to choose whether this is a personal device or living room. So in this case, I go with living room. Here you have option to manage your rooms. You see you have personal devices and living room. Now you have your Samsung TV added to my home under living room. You see that? Then if you click on this, this will pop up a remote control, and if it doesn't, you should see a remote button at the bottom right here. Click on remote. Once you hit the remote button, this is what is going to come up. So once the remote comes up just like this, you can then use it to control your TV. Then if you open any application here, the application is going to open. So I'm going to drop the default remote TV on my table, then go to my Samsung TV remote, then press the home button. Yes, you see that? I can use this to change what I have here, the navigation. Then tap this again to change the navigation to up, down, left, right menu. Open any application directly from here. So if I click on any application here, it's going to open straight away. So let me open YouTube from my phone. There you go. That is YouTube. I can also play videos on YouTube using this. So selected, click on the enter button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of all devices that is the essence. So you can easily log out, log in the post. That is the essence of the Smartthing remote on your Samsung phone. You can use this particular remote for various things. You can use it for your Samsung fridge. You can use it for Samsung Smart Bulb. You can use it for Hue Smart Bulb and so many other things. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit like and of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.